Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we are gonna look at how you can integrate Google Sheets or Google Sheet integration with your RapidPod workspace. So first go to integrations tab on your workspace. Then scroll down to data or file storage. You will find Google Sheet. Then you can connect the Google account that you want to connect. So first, just understand, per workspace you can only connect one Google account or a Google Sheet account. So make sure the account that you are connecting has full access to a sheet that you want to use for your chatbot. So just click on sign in to Google and select the account that you want to use. For today we're going to use this account. Once it is connected, let's continue and make sure to select all this, check all these permissions. You need to enable all this permission, then only the Google Sheet integration will work for your workspace. Click on continue. Once it is done, you will get that success message. So let me delete this thing. So here you can see now we have the integration has been connected. Now you need to connect the Google account or sheet that you want to use for your chatbot. So here you can see we recently made this update so that in order to get the Google Sheet displayed inside the chatbot builder, first you need to add it from here. So for that you have two options. Either you can add the sheet URL directly here and a name, or you can directly click by add sheet. So for example, if you have access to any Google Sheets or if you have created any Google Sheets under your account, it will be displayed here. So for example, we have a Google Sheet here. So I'm gonna select this Google Sheet and click on select. Now that sheet is added here. So now that means this sheet will be displayed inside the chatbot builder also from the integrations tab. Let's have a look at it, how it will look like. Let's go to a chatbot. Let me open up a demo chatbot. So let me edit this. Let me show you how it will look like. So here you can find this integration under action block. Under integrations, you will find Google Sheet. Click on it. Now click on edit action. These are the Google Sheet operations that currently we supported in this integration. So let's go with a basic action like inserting a row. So here you can see it will show the sheet that we just connected. So if you have some other sheets you already connected, it won't be displayed here unless you add it from the integrations tab. Make sure to add the Google Sheet from the integration tab. You need to do this first, then only make sure to add the other Google Sheet that you want to use. Make sure to add, then only it will be displayed here. For now this is the Google Sheet. We only have one sheet created in this account. So here you can see it will show all the columns that are available in the sheet. So now mapping the variables is much easier. Like here you can see there is a button here. Click on it. Just map the variable ID, like whatever custom variables or system variables you are using in your chatbot. Make sure to map them accordingly. So like this, you can map all the variables for each column for the Google Sheet integration. Now let's preview this, how it will look like. Let me save the name into a system variable called first name. Now we have a font field. Now let's create a font field as well and save it to a variable. And we have one more column for email. Let's create that also. Let's create an email field and save that into another variable. Now let's connect this to our integration and just publish, and we can preview this now. This is for checking whether the integration is working or not. So here you can see, let's go with test. Okay, this is a phone number variable. We need to provide number only. Sorry about that. Okay, now let's check. Yeah, here you can see the data has been saved into the Google Sheet. So that's how you can use our native Google Sheet integration for your chatbot operations, or you can save your custom data from your chatbot to your own Google Sheet. That's it. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions or any issues, feel free to reach out to our support or comment below this video. Thank you.